That way, like her, I like playing basketball.
Oh, is that why you're friends? Owen, is that why you're friends?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And so, this book is, this book is Pancake.
Pancake? Where do you see the word pancake?
Or this one.
Let me see. Oh, it does say pancake. That's silly.
This is our pancake book.
What is it?
Plain book. It's like a pancake though.
Why? Why is it like a pancake?
'Cause it's flat.
Oh, that's right. Do you just love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we going to go see if we can find West a Norwegian car book?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, blow kisses. Bye-bye.